Okay, we're going to show you a quick way to identify if you're going to get into trouble in narrow areas. Here we're going to rough this pocket out. This is an irregular pocket, and we have a narrow channel in here. I think it's about 1 inch wide. If you looked at the last video of the previous part 1, you'll know this was 1 inch wide, and I was using a cutter that's 8661 in size, was 23 millimeters, and it fits in here. But is it going to be able to adapt a machine or circular cut this material out of here to rough the pocket? Is it going to be able to fit in there with the default settings? All you have to do is run the setup toolpath, and when the toolpath presents itself, and there should be some rest areas in that narrow slot, and sure enough they're there. Let me be a little more clear. Let's go into verify. We can control the speed here, no problem. I'm just going to slow it down once it gets up. I'm going to take it down into single step. So it's gone in the slot as far as it can go. Don't forget now, we're moving 100 inches a minute. Now watch what this tool does. It's knocking off the scallops, leaving finished stock. But here, it takes a full width to cut at 100 inches a minute. Something had to give there. So clearly you can see this strategy is not correct. So what we'll do is we'll come into our options, and we're looking here. Our curvature radius is set at 40 thousandths. I'm going to take it down to 10 thousandths and run the toolpath again and just see if I can now fit that 22 millimeter cutter down inside that slot so that it adaptive machines that material out prior to doing the semi-finished cut. And sure enough, that's what we want to see. It's going to circle cut that entire channel out. Now when we verify it, notice how it's sweeping the arcs in here. Not hard on the cutter. No heat in the material. Cutter's going to last longer. Now it's going to knock off your scallops. It's going to knock off the scallops and then leaving a X amount of material, whatever is specified for finish cut. Now the rest milling. And then the finished cut itself. And that part's complete. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.